In this video, I'm going to share my weight loss journey. It's a long, tough, but a pleasant one. Hi all, hope all are staying safe and healthy, and welcome back to my channel Perfectly Imperfect by Swati Pala. I wanted to shoot this video since quite some time, but due to this lockdown I've been working out a lot at home. You know, 2 kids at home, it's so tough, but finally I could manage some time today. So let's get into the video. I started this journey when I was 90 and today I'm 68. I'm still trying to reduce further. I was married in 2005. I was around 63 kgs that time. According to my height, I was okay. I delivered my first baby in 2011 and the second one in 2015. I had put on weight during pregnancy phase. After that, I lost a bit. Over a period of time, my complete wardrobe has changed to large to XL. Both babies kept me busy to even think of my weight. My confidence has got a real big hit. I tried gym on and off, crash diets, gym diets.
I tried, tested and discontinued it. But in 2019, somewhere in Jan, I felt that strong will to get myself fit. Yes, this time it is fitness and not just losing weight. My journey since then is what I am going to share now. My daily routine includes 5 major changes. You can call it my 5 mantras. First one, hit the gym, and the second, protein rich diet, and the third one, 3 to 4 liters of warm lemon infused water. Fourth one, Surya Namaskar, and also 15 minutes of meditation. Last but not the least, intermittent fasting. Now I'll share my timetable. Six o'clock, 1 liter of lukewarm water, and 8:30 butter coffee. At 9:30, I used to go to gym, but now I am doing yoga at home. 10:45, half a liter of warm water. 11:30, green gram dosa with vegetable curry. And at 12:30, half a liter of warm water. At 3 o'clock, you can have mixed fruits. At 4 o'clock, half a liter of warm water again, and 5 vegetable salad. 5:30, half a liter of warm water. At 7 o'clock, this is my dinner time. So I generally take green gram dosa with vegetable curry. 8 o'clock, half a liter of warm water. And at 10 o'clock, just before going to sleep, warm milk with turmeric and honey.
What I learned, fitness is not a destination. It's a journey. It's a part of our life.
Fasting for 16 hours and then only eating within a specific 8-hour window may slightly boost metabolism while helping you eat fewer calories. It's a very effective way to lose weight and belly fat.
Intermittent fasting, it may not suit everybody. And having warm water gives a very good skin, glowing skin. Try it out. At least try to have 3 to 4 liters of water.
Any vegetable which is cooked in less oil is always low in fat and calories. It has a warm, rich flavor and is very filling.
Important is the diet, which 90% of a weight reduction depends on what we take. For green gram dosa and butter coffee, please check the link in the description.
7 to 8 hours of sleep is a must. Sleep helps control our metabolism and weight.
And also I shared my night routine in one of my videos. That also I mentioned it in the description. What all I shared is a journey to be fit. I enjoyed every moment of it. is a state of mind and it should not depend on how much one should weigh. Don't stop wearing what you like, and last but not the least, smiling all the way. A dear friend of mine, Sushila Murthy, wants me to convey this message to all the beautiful ladies.
Work for staying fit and aim for ideal weight. But don't forget to live in the present and love yourself. Dr. Sushila Murthy is a physiotherapist with post-graduation in orthopedics and avid practitioner of Ayurveda. She is also a Pinkathon ambassador. In this COVID times, as a Pinkathon ambassador, she and her team conducted many fun and fitness competitions. You can reach her at this website.
Every woman is so unique in her own way. We just have to identify it, nurture it, and be happy about it. Stay safe, stay home. Love you all.
Hi, this is Anasuya Bharadwaj. For your lifestyle updates, please subscribe to Perfectly Imperfect by Swati Pala.
Please subscribe to the channel Perfectly Imperfect by Swati Pala.